For those who are asking online about our schedule at UPSA, you can find it. Search Filipino Surfing. All our scheduled events will be there. You guys can see it online. So if you guys are interested to know leg 2, it will be at Calicuan Summer. If you want to join us there, then you are most welcome. But right now, we're focused on the round 12, heat number 3, men's open shortboard. Surfer in red, first wave, a 4.50, putting it to first place. Surfer in white, first wave, a 4.25, putting it to second place, needing only a 0.26 to grab that lead. And surfer in white, you need a 2.76 to move on to the quarterfinals. Surfer in yellow, you have first priority, surfer in yellow. And surfer in red, second priority. Last priority, handed out to surfer in white. Hello, Amy De La Cruz, all the way from Zambales. Thank you for watching us here live at Pagudpud. Amazing waves here at Pagudpud, and a lot of people right now seeing this beauty of Heartbreak Point here at Barangay Palawi.